What makes Saber a special place and the camaraderie we have, I would have to put a lot of that on my team. It is definitely the people that have created Saber and Saber's culture. Family to me means that the company is going to be run with the employees at heart, not a corporate takeover to where it's only bottom line oriented. I love my team and I want the best for the team, and so a family coming in is going to make sure that that continues.
I've known Franz and the team at Saber for over a decade, and it's been really fun to see them grow from a pretty small company to what they've built today, which is really incredible. You know, you hear people say that it's not personal, it's just business, and to me it's like business is personal, and I think actually the people that don't have it feel personal are missing out on an opportunity, because when business is personal, it is a lot more fun. To have him kind of put his faith in us to continue our relationship, continue our friendship, and build a great company together is what it's all about.
What makes me super excited about the partnership with Supportworks is definitely the big picture that they're bringing in. All the great videos that Supportworks has and all the great training programs and being live in person and having all these coaches and mentors that we can reach out to. I would definitely tell my teammates to strap on your seatbelts, because we're going to go for a hell of a ride. I'm super excited about what's to come. I can't wait to get there.
The passion and values that I see throughout the company is at a very, very high level. The core of Saber is so strong and dedicated to excellence. The attention to detail, the cleanliness, the organization of the crews and the trucks, the training is top notch. The ceiling is unlimited.
I'm really excited for the employees, as you know, our growth is going to create so many different opportunities. But I think one of the important things too is that they're going to continue to run autonomously. They're going to still be their own Saber family, and they're going to make local decisions for this local business that are right for their community, are right for their team. And I think that just creates a lot of pride of ownership. A lot of companies, you feel like you're a cog in the machine or just a number. And here, they're going to have a voice. We're going to hear what it is that they need. And I can't wait to show them that we hear them and we want to help support them as they pave the way for the future success of the company.
I know that with the heart that I see from the Thrasher family, starts from the top, goes down, I want to be a part of that legacy. I want to say, you know what, I want to retire here at Saber, being a part of that Thrasher family as well, and continue it so that every worker here at Saber can have just a piece of that and hopefully leave a legacy behind for their families so that they can be all they could be here at Saber.